Good morning. Welcome to this live program of NCERT. This is an outreach program in GIS based on web portal School Bhuvan NCERT for PGTs in Geography. This program is scheduled for 5 days from September 24th to 28th, 2018. Every day 2 sessions are being held. First session from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Second session from 12 o'clock to 1 p.m. Today is the third day of the program and we have received several questions and comments, suggestions from the participants. Thank you participants for your active participation. Some participants have sent emails regarding School Bhuvan NCERT portal. They have requested us that these activities which we have explained during this session should be included in the textbook. It will be easy for the students to develop a map on satellite imageries. I would request you to use School Bhuvan NCERT portal because its information has already been included in the latest reprint edition. In practical book, geography textbook for practical work in geography for class 11th part 1 and geography textbook for practical work part 2. In both the textbooks, information about Bhuvan portal has been included. You can use these portals. Several applications have been explained during the sessions and you can ask students to develop maps using the tools available on these portals. Some participants faced problems while downloading shape files when they were developing any shape file, point shape file. I would suggest them to try it again. If they are following right procedure, they will be able to download shape files as well as they will be able to generate maps in GIS software as well as in QGIS software. Because these problems, sometimes when we do or any expert does any exercise on GIS portal, they face such problems. This is a technical problem. You can refresh your computer, try it again and you will get the result. Some queries are related to satellites and sensors. Our next session, which will start at 12 o'clock, this is based on satellites, sensors and platform. So, your doubts will be cleared at that time. Sessions, some participants they have requested that some sessions should also be in Hindi. We will try to give details in Hindi also. We request all of you to send your queries through email and also mention from which school you are participating in this program. Today our topic is GIS Viewer on School Bhuvan NCERT and we will learn how to develop a point map on GIS Viewer, how to develop a million+ cities and urban agglomerations of India on GIS Viewer. This topic has been included in our textbook in class 12th geography textbook, India, People and Economy. I would like to show this textbook here. This is the book India, People and Economy. In chapter number on page number 37, chapter is Human Settlement, chapter 4, unit 2. On page number 37, population of million+ cities and urban agglomerations of India. according to census 2011 are given. This is the table. You have this textbook. So, you can consult this textbook. You are consulting, you are teaching geography using these textbooks. So, only I am just referring this table, because we have used this table while developing this activity. Some other tables are also available. So, on the basis of these tables, we will do another activity. Mapping million plus cities, urban agglomerations of India on GIS Viewer, School Bhuvan NCERT portal. So, I request you to open School Bhuvan NCERT portal. You can do this activity simultaneously. After doing this activity, you will be able to compose map to show million plus cities, urban agglomeration of India according to census 2001, and compare maps of million plus cities and urban agglomerations of India 2001 and 2011. Please open School Bhuvan NCERT portal. Click on GIS Viewer on School Bhuvan NCERT portal. On home page, there is a tab. You can click on this GIS Viewer. Then this page will appear, GIS Viewer. You will have to read first these instructions which are given here. Create map from text, point map, add XY data. Text file should contain column names with longitude and latitude. If header information is not provided, first two columns should respectively be as longitude and latitude. It means if you are going to show any map through point, you will have to use latitude and longitude of the area. You teach about urban agglomeration, you teach about urbanization in India, trend of population, urban population in India. You also discuss which areas are called urban, what are the characteristics, and in which area you will say that this will not come under urban area, because this definition is given in the census that at least 5,000 population persons should live in that area. Density of population should be at least 400 persons per square kilometer, and at least 75% of male population, working male population should be engaged in non-agricultural pursuits. Other areas like metropolitan cities or municipalities, notified town area committees and cantonment area, they come under urban area. But other places with these characteristics like at least 5,000 population, 400 persons per square kilometer density and 75% population male persons, working male population should be engaged in non-agricultural activities, then these areas come under urban areas. and million plus cities, areas in cities where population is at least 1 million or plus. There were 35 million plus cities and urban agglomerations in India in 2001. According to 2001 census data, 35 cities were there. In 2011, number has increased. Now there are 53 million plus cities in India. So first we are going to show these 35 cities which were there in 2001, their location, how can we locate these cities on the map of India, and then we will compare that in which state number has increased. So let's start this activity. Read this instruction and you have to click this cross to close this box, because when you have read this instruction, then you will have to close this box. So click on this and close this help box. This data we have prepared, this table we have prepared from the textbook, from the census, because census data is given in the textbook. In the latest reprint edition, we have included census 2011 data. In some reprint editions, we had included census 2001 and 2011 both. So this is the data related to urban agglomerations, million plus cities of India according to 2001. This table we have created. You can develop this table in Excel. We have developed in OpenOffice. This is the data, because in the instruction it was mentioned that in the first and second column latitude and longitude should be mentioned. In third column name of the city, and then in next column population of that city. Yesterday only we have discussed that how you can collect information of any city's latitude and longitude from the portal. You will have to write here name of the city and click find. Like if we have written Ludhiana, type name of the city, for example Ludhiana here, and click find. This is Ludhiana city. Move and point cursor on this red point. This is the red point. This is Ludhiana. Type latitude and longitude value of this point in your spreadsheet, because you are preparing a table. When you are preparing table, you will have to mention latitude, longitude of that place, then only you can generate a map on this satellite imagery using GIS Viewer. This is latitude and longitude. This is latitude and longitude of Ludhiana. You can collect information of each city using this method. Paste longitude and latitude of Ludhiana Municipal Corporation. Its population is also mentioned. So we are preparing this table. We have mentioned longitude and latitude of Ludhiana. You will have to complete this table. Like we have collected information about other city like Amritsar, Faridabad, Delhi, Jaipur, Kanpur, Lucknow, Agra, Varanasi, Meerut, Allahabad, Patna, Kolkata, Asansol, Jamshedpur, Dhanbad, Indore, Bhopal, Jabalpur, Ahmedabad, Surat, Vadodara, Rajkot, Greater Mumbai, Pune, Nagpur, Nasik, Hyderabad, GVMC, Vijayawada, Bengaluru, Kochi, Chennai, Coimbatore and Madurai. This table may be saved as CSV, delimited. When you will save this table, click on save, then this box appears. You will save as type. Then when you will click on this arrow, you will see this is CSV, delimited. Give name of this table million underscore plus underscore UAs underscore cities underscore 2001. Then you are saving this table. Click on save. Click on save. This box appears in OpenOffice. You will have to click on keep current format, press option keep current format. This box appears on the screen. Export text file. Click on OK. Press option OK. Again this box appears in OpenOffice. You will have to click OK. This table you can see, this is generated. Longitude, latitude, name of the city and urban population according to census 2001. In OpenOffice, this box appears. OpenOffice, warning, saving the document million, this name of the folder, only the active sheet was saved. Click OK. Then in File, Exit. Click Exit. Click on Point Map on Gis Viewer. Again go to Gis Viewer. You will have to click on Point Map because you are going to show million plus cities of India with the help of points, because you are showing location of these cities on the map. When you click this, browse. select million plus cities, press option open, click here. In Gis Viewer, press option upload, tab is here, upload. Then you can see data is being uploaded. It's loading. This is uploading. Then on point layers, click on million plus cities, because you are going to develop million plus cities. Upload. You have uploaded this data where information of all cities were given. Click on this eye and mouse hover on map to get the attribute information. You will have to click on eye, and wherever you will put this mouse, it gives you the information of that city. Like if we have put our mouse on Jaipur city, it is giving information about Jaipur, longitude, latitude, name of the city and its population. You can see information of Jaipur. Attribute of Jaipur can be seen because all these files you have generated, these are shape files. You have created this table. You have to link non-spatial data with spatial data. Spatial data is map data and non-spatial data with table which you have created with the help of population data and latitude and longitude of that area. You can see according to census 2001, there is only one city, Jaipur. When you will create million plus cities of India according to census 2001, you will notice that in Rajasthan there is only one city which comes under million plus cities. You can download and take print out of this map. For that you need to press button print to view or download the map in PDF format. This option is given here. This box appears. Print map, title of the map you need to give, then description of the map you will have to write here, and then source of this data. This is Census of India 2001. All details, fill details, for example, title, description and source. Press button proceed. Press button proceed. PDF report is generating. When you will click on proceed, PDF report is being generated for this map. And then this box appears, PDF report generated. Press button OK. Click here. This is the map population of million plus cities, urban agglomerations according to census 2001. All description which you have given, it is also mentioned here, and this is the map of India showing million plus cities of India according to census 2001. Same method you will adopt to develop million cities, million plus cities and urban agglomerations according to census 2011. Prepare this table because according to census 2011 there are 53 cities. When you will develop another map, then only you can notice that in which state number has been increased. Same procedure has been adopted and this map has been generated on population of million plus cities according to census 2011. In 2001, these were the cities. There were only one city. In Rajasthan, there was only one city in 2001 under million plus cities, and according to census 2011, there are 3 cities: Jaipur, Kota and Jodhpur. Jaipur, Kota and Jodhpur. On GIS Viewer, district wise maps are available. You can easily find out in which state number has increased. Now, activity: develop location map with the help of point on GIS Viewer to show tourist places of your own state. Same method you can adopt. You will have to collect information of latitude and longitude of these tourist places and show on the map of India. It will not be a difficult exercise. You can do this exercise easily and give to your students to do and explore the information from School Bhuvan portal and from other sources from Census of India to collect data. Thank you. So, I hope that this exercise you will be able to do today only during break time. Next presentation is based on Choropleth Maps. About Choropleth Maps, information has been given in class 12th practical textbook, practical work in geography. this textbook, practical work in geography, class 12th, this is Choropleth map of India. Information about Choropleth is also there. How you have to develop Choropleth map on paper. Today we will discuss how you can develop Choropleth map on GIS Viewer. Choropleth mapping on GIS Viewer, School Bhuvan, Ncert. Choropleth mapping on GIS Viewer, School Bhuvan, Ncert. After this presentation, you will be able to link spatial and non-spatial data, which you have learnt in previous activity also. You were creating map data, latitude, longitude and population attribute data for million plus cities, and now for Choropleth maps you will also create tables, non-spatial data and spatial data, map of India, classify non-spatial data, compose Choropleth map of India to show state-wise national share of population, and prepare a layout. Click on GIS Viewer on School Bhuvan Ncert portal. Click button GIS Viewer here. This box appears. Earlier you have read about point maps. Now you have to read instructions related to Choropleth maps. This is the information about Choropleth maps. Again click on cross to close this help box. Click on Choropleth maps because you are going to create Choropleth map. This box appears. One option is for boundary and another is data match. First click on boundary, click on this arrow, select state because you are going to show state wise data at the national level. That is why you will have to click on a state. If you will have to create a Choropleth map for your state, then you will have to select district. This time we are going to create a map at the national level showing this national share of population state wise. That is why we have selected this state. Select state. Then data match, drag this option data match and select code because you will have to select with the help of code, you will select the data. Click on template. Here it is mentioned download template. Click template to download district boundary codes for matching data. All these facilities are being provided on this GIS Viewer by NRSC ISRO Hyderabad. Opening state boundary, open with, click OK. This is the state boundary code. In the first column state code and second column is state name. One is for Jammu and Kashmir, two for Himachal Pradesh. So, you can click option maximize to see the complete table. This is the table, state code with state name for all states. This is table. Select and copy. You have to select this table and copy. Open a spreadsheet because you are going to create a table. Go to edit menu and click paste special. This is written paste special. Click OK, click button OK. This box appears, click comma because you have to separate your table with the help of this comma. Separated by, separator option, separated by comma. Click button OK. Then first it is state code, then state name, then another column is related to national share of population. This table has been created. This table, this data we have taken from Census of India, or this data is also given in geography textbook. This is your India People and Economy textbook, and on page number 'in appendices, this data is given, national share of population, page number 144 of the textbook. You can see this data, national share of population according to census 2011. From there you can take this data and create this table. Prepare table as per the instructions. Then click on file and save as. Click on file, save as. Type name of the file, for example APP1, because you have to retrieve this table easily, and then save as CSV. Here you have to click and click on text CSV and then save. Click button save. This box appears in OpenOffice. Keep current format. Click on keep current format. click button OK on this box, click button OK. Then again go to GIS Viewer, click on Choropleth Maps. You are going to generate Choropleth map. First you have generated table, now you are going to generate Choropleth maps. Going to attach link, special data and non-special data. Then click text file, click text file, click browse, click button browse. This table you had saved APP1. Select file APP1, click button open. Here this button is there, open, click on this open. Then click on upload, click button upload. You have to upload non-special data, and this is uploading the data. This is, you can see data is being uploaded. And this box appears, all rows are matched with Bhuvan data. Then click OK. You can zoom in and zoom out this map, and this attribute will be visible here. Drag down select attribute. This is select attribute. Select because you have generated this table, and it is, you can see now this table. Now this has been uploaded here. Select this, drag down to select color, because in Choropleth maps with the help of graded colors, graded shades, we show the density of population or any phenomena which we would like to show on the map. Here we are going to show national share of population in India. Here you will have to select colors, start color, end color. Like we have selected customized color code, for example start. These codes are given, we have selected these codes for the colors. See, this color we have selected, and class we have selected 5 classes. In Choropleth maps, you know, we will have to select classes according to the data, and click on submit. Click button submit. Now this map has been generated. You can see, you will have to click on zoom out so that you can see the complete map. Click on this eye symbol, and wherever you will put your cursor, information of that state will appear on the screen, like name of state is Uttar Pradesh and national share of population is 16.49. Wherever you will put your cursor, information of that state will appear. This is the function of GIS, that you can see simultaneously attribute data and map data. Name of name, click here, you can see information of Arunachal Pradesh, name of state is Arunachal Pradesh, and national share of population 0.11. If so quickly you are developing this map, you can generate several maps, because in GIS we use Choropleth maps extensively. So, in class 12th Choropleth maps have been included. So, ask students to develop these maps on the basis of data which are given in appendices, or they can collect information from census and generate maps. Try to analyze these maps, why density or national share of population is high or national share of population is less in these areas, what are the reasons, what is the trend in 2001, what was the situation in 2011, what is the situation, and try to analyze. This is the objective of geography, why we are developing map. This is not only for the purpose of recreation we are developing these maps to learn something about India, about our state or about our district. Then click button print layout, because if we want to take printout of this colored maps which we have developed, you can see this range of colors and range a percent is also there. Map of India, different colors are showing, dark color is showing more percent. In UP you can see 16%, wherein in Arunachal Pradesh and lighter shade is showing 0.11%. So, this is graded colors show the national share of population in India. When you are going to take printout of this box appears and title. Again same procedure you have to follow which you have adopted during developing a map of million plus cities. Description you will have to write, description of map you will write, and source from where you have taken this information to develop this map. So, because we have taken this data from Census of India, so source you are mentioning here Census of India, and then click on proceed. Please wait, PDF report is being generated. Click button download. Here this button is there because you have generated this PDF file. You can download this and then you can take print out of this map. Population of national share of population 2011, this map is ready. Similar method you can adopt to develop other maps based on work participation rate, percentage of agricultural laborers to total workers according to census 2011, percentage of cultivators to total workers 2011, percentage of other workers to total workers 2011. So, all these tables, maps you can create and develop maps. We have also created work participation rate. This data we have taken from census, name of the state, code of the state is already given, and then this table you have to generate. Then same procedure you will follow, and this map work participation rate has been generated, and this is the legend, range, colors, description, source, all these things are given here. This is total workers, data is already given in your textbook. You can collect this information from textbook, and this is percentage of agricultural laborers to total workers. This map has been generated, this data is given, color has been selected, and this map is ready. This is percentage of cultivators to total workers according to census 2011, map is here, data is here, and with the help of this data and map we have generated this Choropleth map. Thank you. I would like to discuss with you how you are going to develop a state map, district wise map for your own state. I would like to give one example. Open School Bhuvan Ncert portal, click on Gis Viewer, we have developed map for Kerala. Click on Gis Viewer, and click on Choropleth Maps. I would like to show you this on using this internet connection. We have developed one file on Kerala, state-wise population data we have used for that. It seems that some problem is there with this file. Try to develop a map of your own state. Technical problem you may face anytime, anywhere. Like this time I am facing this problem in my computer. I wanted to show you this file, but unable to open this file right now. I hope that I will be able to show you this in the next session, and when I will take on GIS mapping on School Bhuvan Ncert. Next session would be on satellites, sensors and platforms. At 12 o'clock, Mr. Vinay Kumar, I think he is scientist from ISRO, Indian Institute of Remote Sensing, Dehradun. He will take this session. Mr. Vinay Kumar, he will take session on satellites, sensors and platforms. And I hope your several queries yesterday you have asked on satellites and sensors, but session was on space technology, missions and applications. So today I think your doubts will be clear. Thank you.